Hi everyone, it's Miss Quisler. Today, the art project that I'm going to be showing you all about is a zine. This is a mini little magazine that you can make at home. It's basically a 6-page book that you can fold out of one piece of paper. And what's cool about zines is you can make them about anything you want. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start by folding our paper in half the long way, and then you open it up and fold it the short way, like this. Then we're gonna fold these edges up to meet the middle fold. And you're gonna end up with something that looks kind of like an accordion fold with a little mountain in the middle. Then I'm gonna make one little snip right on the tip of the mountain, right down the middle of my paper. And when I pinch it this way, it folds together into a book. And now I'm ready to start writing my zine. Some kids like to make zines about themselves. You can make a zine about your family, or you could even make like a how-to zine and use it to teach people something that you are an expert at doing. The possibilities here are really endless, so get creative, write a story, make a comic, literally anything your little heart desires. So there it is, folks, a zine. I cannot wait to see your artwork. Please share it with me. Happy arting!